In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Word in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to edit text from a PDF, reuse content in a report, or simply make quick corrections, converting the file to Word is the fastest way to get there. For this process, you'll want Adobe Acrobat Standard or Pro. The free reader alone doesn't export to Word, so make sure you're working in the right app before you begin. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Give it a moment to load fully, especially if it's a large file with images or many pages. Once it's open, look to the right-hand panel and click Export PDF. This panel is designed for sharing and converting, and Export PDF is the option that turns your PDF into editable formats. If you don't see it on the right, no problem. You can use the menu bar at the top instead. Go to File, hover over Export to, and choose Microsoft Word from the list. Both paths do the same thing, so use whichever is easier to find in your layout. When Acrobat asks for the export format, choose Microsoft Word. You'll see two choices: Word Document, which saves as .docx, and Word 97 2003 Document, which saves as .doc. In most cases, .docx is the best pick because it's the modern, more reliable format and preserves formatting more accurately. The doc option is mainly for older systems or software that can't open .docx files. If you're sharing with someone using current versions of Word, go with .docx. Next, click Export. If your PDF contains scanned pages or images of text, Acrobat will automatically run OCR, optical character recognition, to turn those pictures into selectable, editable text. This can take a little time, and the clarity of the original scan affects accuracy. Clean, high-contrast scans produce the best results, while skewed or blurry pages may need light touch-ups after conversion. After export, the Save As dialog appears. Choose a location you'll remember, like your Documents folder or a specific project folder. Give the file a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and keep the original PDF unchanged as a backup. When you're ready, click Save. Acrobat will finalize the conversion and place your new Word file where you selected. That's all there is to it. You've taken your PDF and converted it into a Word document you can edit, reformat, and reuse. If the document has complex layouts or unusual fonts, expect to make small adjustments, but the heavy lifting is done for you.